Hackathons are a great way of giving people a break in their day to day work to really be as creative as possible around certain topics. And through that creativity and that slightly different thinking, the freedom to work with maybe different groups of people, we see some really inspiring things developed.
Started in GNS doing hackathons in 2020. And the goal has been, let's pick a set of problems that from a business standpoint, anybody can come up with. However, we go through a selection criteria to make sure that this problem can be put into the product and is monetizable. So either we look for problems that are bigger in nature that can be a product in itself, or they could add incremental value to existing products. And so since 2020, we've been doing at least once a year. Over the last couple of years, we've been doing 2 times a year, and it's hugely popular within the team. This year's Spring Hackathon is focused on large language models. So we've got all the teams set up with Microsoft Azure's version of OpenAI ChatGPT. And the goal is to leverage work that has already been done around large language models across the organization. There have been some excellent projects that other teams across LNLP have gotten started on improving search, on creating, drafting additional briefs using generative AI, and also summarization. So we've taken those 3 concepts and applied that to the GNS context.
What's really exciting is giving the teams creative freedom to use generative AI in a very focused way over a period of time. We've been using AI technology in our product offering for a long time, and actually our teams have had access to and been experimenting with generative AI for some time through Azure's version of it. So we're really excited to see how the teams now use this dedicated time to answer some of these problems, and then even more exciting to see how those develop into the product work that we produce tomorrow. So hackathons are hugely important for our product development because they create almost this break for people to be really, really creative, but from a different angle to maybe the day-to-day work that they are bound up in doing. That's important to our customers because it means that we can really experiment freely and start to offer some really exciting answers to some of the problems that they face. And we are driven as a product community at Global Nexis Solutions to really focus on our customers, to really understand their day-to-day issues and how we may add value through our products in delivering answers to those issues. So by taking this time to use really cutting-edge technology to look at some of their real problems that we've surfaced from them, that they're suffering from day to day, and to come up with some solutions to those is of huge value, because effectively it means that we build products our customers love to use and that really, really help and make a tremendous difference to their day-to-day work.
So if you take hackathons as an example, there are 2 aspects to it. So one aspect is upfront ideation. These ideas are generated by anybody in the business. And some of these ideas are really, really great ideas that have not really something that the teams have worked on or were planning on working on. Or some of the ideas are ideas that are so big that the teams don't even know where to start. And the hackathon provides a mechanism where you can get into it. The whole cross-functional team, so this is engineers, product managers, the UX team members, all get together, put their heads together and say, how can we creatively solve this? And at the end of the week, these teams are able to produce some amazing proof of concepts that then become real products. And at the end of the day, the whole reason for doing this is to improve our products, get new products out in the market so that we can benefit our end customers. This year, really excited about a whole bunch of projects. I think there were somewhere around 25, 30 different projects that the teams have picked. Quite a lot of them around improving the way we search, with the help of large language models. Another one that a few of them that I'm interested in are all looking at deriving insights from really large documents. And another one that I'm really looking forward to see what the teams come up with is identifying misinformation, especially in today's day and age. That's very powerful. And so very excited about what the teams produce at the end of this week, and can't wait to see the videos and see which of those kind of make it into our products. But if you step back from what we truly produce and create as part of these products, there is an underlying aspect that is really beneficial, which is a culture of experimentation. At the end of the day, that's what we're doing. We're experimenting. And so this is allowing us to put new types of ideas, new types of solutions, and figuring out if it is feasible or not.
I'd like them to think big. I want them to think unfettered, to not necessarily think about what we offer today to our customers, but really how can we revolutionize what we're giving people, and how can we help them reinvent the way that they work, because this technology really is a huge disruptor in quite a positive way to how we could all work in the future. And it's being able to harness some of that and really come up with solutions that resolve the problems our users have, which will enable them to change the way they work for the better, so that they spend more time and have more time to do the areas of work that really add value, and let the technology take the strain out of the work that really doesn't, which I think would make everyone's heart sing. So think big is my message